god, I did not plan this. I matched the top with the box. So yesterday I received this huge package from Ulta. Ulta, yeah, let me repeat the name again. Ulta. And I was so incredibly shocked when I received this. I was like, they did not do this. And I thought it was gonna be like 2 or 3 things. Oh my god. Multiply it by like 6 or 7, I don't know, but I know it's a lot of things. This box is almost bigger than me. They wrapped it up so cute, and they also left me a note. This is what you get, and you get like bubble wrap and like tissue paper, more bubble wrap, a whole bunch of products. So many things in here. We're gonna do my first ever official main channel sit down unboxing video. Happy birthday, Dayannette, for being a beauty influencer and being so inspired by makeup. Here's a little birthday gift. Hope you enjoy. I can do a whole full face of first impressions with this. Okay, let's start. This is a Mara Badescu skincare established 1967. You guys know that I love this one. I'm excited because I saw this not 1, 2, 3. They included the facial spray with aloe cucumber and green tea, facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water, which is the one that I'm currently using, facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. I'm excited to try the purple one. This smells amazing. Now I know what this one smells like. It smells more like leaves. I'm not gonna lie, this one smells more like leaves. This smells good. This one smells more like a nice soap. I love the scent of this one. I'm gonna smell this again. These are sheets to Boomerang. I'll put it right here so you guys can see the behind the scenes. They sent me a lash glue, and this is the black one. Thank you. Oh, I also got something on this, but I opened it, which in here was a shampoo conditioner from the brand Clairol. I like trying new things, especially for my hair, because my hair lately has been like... And it also came in it... Oh, they sent me another lash glue. I have 2 lash glues. Thank you. They also sent this. The samples in Ulta, goodbye Sephora. The ultimate guide to your best light. Usually the ones from Sephora only bring you the pressed highlighter, like the powder. Girl, they have you covered. They sent you for you to have a shimmering skin perfector liquid highlighter. A shimmering skin perfector pressed highlighter powder. Yes, set that highlight. Shimmering skin perfector pured cream. I want to open this because I'm really worried about this. Look at this. I think this is too dark for my under eye. It has a pink undertone, which I don't mind, and they said the pink undertone usually puts the under eye more brighter. But they did send me the LA Girl Pro Concealer. So you squish the tube. It's light, you know. The swatch, I didn't make that good of a swatch, but I just don't want to waste it. Next thing they sent was the Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter. Molten Gold, it's called. I don't even want to swatch it. It's so buttery. I hope this matches. I mean, it's more like a golden color. You can definitely see like a light gold color. I saw this and I did not know. When I ordered my Shape Tape, it was in this box, was it? This is the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. This is in the color Light Sand. So I have both of them here, fair neutral, and this one's light sand. I think it's gonna match. That's right there. They're so similar now that I think about it. You can definitely see this one's more of a yellow than this one. This one's more like a light white pinkish color. Maybelline New York Total Temptation Mascara. I'm excited to try this. I had heard mixed reviews over this. Ones were good, ones were bad. Love the packaging. Oh, I definitely want to try this. Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder, banana shade. I have heard so many good things about this product. It's not good for baking, but it's good for setting the under eye. They sent 2 of each. That's the thing that I love the most. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. One in the shade Sunkissed Bronzer, and the other one is Bronzer. I don't know if this sponge might work for a bronzer. Is this a cream bronzer? No, but it says buttery formula, so. The moment of truth. Oh, this smells so good. Wait, can I smell this one? They both smell amazing. I would be here all day. This is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. Ooh, this is very light, but this is in the shade TW03. That's a shade, I don't know. Pitchy undertones. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Let's swatch. No, this is not okay. You guys, look at that. That's too pink for me. compare this to these two. I'll probably go to the drugstore or something and I'll get a new one. This is the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in the shade. I have this lipstick. I think I do. It's okay, I can give it to my mom. This is a really pretty shade. I have so many lipstick. I want to like experiment more with other ones, different ones. This is the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. Prime, correct, and set. First of all, the cap. I feel like it's gonna fall any minute. That's a bad thing. 16-hour wear. It smells amazing. Let me say, it's like putting perfume on your face. The light left. Keeps color from fading and settling into creases. I noticed that spray completely ruined my under eye. It, like, the mascara is all over my under eye, so it's gonna keep on going till the end of the video. I'm sorry I didn't notice about it, but yeah. This is the Makeup Revolution blush palette. Let me first say, do you guys see this? If you guys see this, what do you see when you see this? Like, look at that as I'm moving it. These are glowy. How am I supposed to use this as a highlighter? Hands are a little too small for getting a brush in there. I'm gonna have to use my regular brush. It's kind of the size of my hand, I'd say. Sort of, something like that. You see that? I can use this as a highlighter. There is the blush. It has a little bit of a shine. This is something else that has me really worried because I saw this and I was so excited. This is the LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Long Wear Matte Foundation. Packaging, like the whole package, looks very luxurious. It has a pump. This is in the shade Bisque. I mean, by seeing it like that, it has yellow undertones. That's a good thing. I think it's gonna match. I think it's gonna match. Yeah, I think so. False lashes. These are the Demi Wispies false lashes. 5 pairs. Try these. These are beautiful. This is the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. These come out. I did not know that. It has, I see, really cool tones. 4 are for setting, the under eye. 4 on the bottom are for contour. These brushes, I'm excited to open these brushes. They're from Morphe. This is the M527 and the M530. Oh. The M527. Let's open this one. Oh, I've seen this one around. Is this the one that Amanda uses and Lola Liner from Snapchat? I'm excited to use this brush. This is the Makeup Revolution Love Conquers All Makeup Pigment and Highlighter Palette. Oh, this is a highlighter palette. This is a highlighter palette. Ooh, they're very buttery and pigmented. Nice. That heart shade, yeah, it did. The Makeup Revolution Soph X highlighter palette. I've seen this around. I think Jaclyn Hill loves this highlighter palette, if I'm not mistaken. I thought it was smaller. I'm really impressed with the size of this palette because this is big. So we can play around with some shades because there's like neutral shades and we have a pink and a purple. That did that. Oh my god, these colors are everything. Do you see that? This was the first thing that I grabbed when I saw the box. Dominant Cosmetic Latte palette. Can't even believe it. Oh my god, the packaging is way more beautiful in person than on the picture. It's a big palette. Hands are, well, they're big. I'm so proud of her. Hey, beautiful. You guys knew about this and you guys did not tell me. Look at my under eye. This made that happen. That's the bad thing about this palette. It's white and it gets dirty real fast and I hate things that get dirty. I have a feeling they're really buttery. I'm excited. I want to swatch this blue. So pigmented. Do you see that? Do you see that? You can see this color from here to San Juan. Creme Brulee. Wow, these shades are so buttery. That's a gorgeous color right there next to it. And Macchiato. She uses Macchiato as a highlighter, or I know, I think it's Creme Brulee. Macchiato is more of like a highlighter for me. So that will be all for my unboxing. I literally just got ready without filming. I didn't film this makeup tutorial. Yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.